What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another Minimal Mondays, and if you're new here, my name is Paul. Today we're going to be taking a look at the VANS OTW Era 95 DST Relic. More specifically, the black pair. Today, we're going to unbox the sneakers, talk about them in detail, discuss why the public is going so crazy about these, and of course, you will see them styled on the toe. Now, as a bit of foreshadowing, we are going to do a part 2 on these sneakers where I show you 3 outfits styling the sneakers. So in the event you do pick them up or a variation of the style of shoe, I can serve as a little bit of inspo with all the garments featured in the videos to be available on the website. Now, as a little bit more foreshadowing, we do have the checkerboard pair on the way, so be sure to stay tuned on the channel. Like today's video, subscribe to the channel, notifications on so you don't miss it, because the checkerboard ones might just be the best rendition from this pack. Now, if you do enjoy this style of content, please communicate that to us by commenting down below. Helps us know to keep this style of content coming, where we bring in the latest sneakers to release, style them, talk about them in detail. And if you're interested in some of the garments that we featured today or in any of the videos, be sure to check out the links down below. And now, with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and crack this box open and see what we're working with. The VANS Off the Wall Relic Era 95 DST do come in a special VANS box, which is pretty minimalist in nature, with only slight contrast between the box and its shininess being the design detail. Very minimalist through and through, and the same rings true once you get into the box. One little addition that I do appreciate is that you do get a couple extra laces, which a lot of brands have not been doing as of late, but I appreciate it. I'm sure you'd agree that it's nice to have some ways to customize the way these look. Now, as entailed in the name, these do come from Vans's division Off the Wall, which does focus a little bit more on tech as well as take some risks on the design side. That very much so rings true with the sneaker, as they do feature a very heavy enzyme wash, allowing for them to have a beautiful fade throughout. In addition to that, you do have signs of it being somewhat of a relic, as entailed in the name as well, due to the fact that they are pre-distressed, they're pre-worn, they have dirt, just leaning into this pair being vintage and pre-used. Probably my favorite aspect of these sneakers is the exposed foam. I've always liked this feature on other sneakers such as the Off-White collab, the Jordan 1s, but to see them on a pair of Vans, I think is really sick. And finally, you do have the fuzzy laces that really add so much more character to an already very intentionally designed sneaker. Now, these are a pair of eras, which is to say they are different from an authentic in the sense that they are made for skating. So they're going to have more cushion, more durability. They're made to withstand a little bit more wear, which is in stark contrast to what the authentic is, which was originally meant to be a boat shoe. Overall, the sneaker is really good. I feel like the only miss for this was that it didn't release earlier in the summer. I feel like this would have been just a really great shoe to have in my rotation this summer, but better late than never. When it comes to sizing, just go ahead and take your true size that you take in all of Vans, and they will fit very nicely. And now, as promised, I am going to go ahead and throw these on featuring an outfit from our website, which does feature the extra long cargo shorts. Newly restocked, the extra long cargo shorts push the idea of proportion forward, exaggerated baggy fit shorts. They're very, very relaxed to the thigh and feature an extended length, almost resembling an extra baggy pair of pants that have been cut. They are constructed from 100% cotton and rendered through our vintage wash protocol to allow for a nice and tasteful fade, but in addition to that, extra soft hand feel. This allows the pair to look and feel broken in without doing too much. Now, despite this pair fitting as it does, I do recommend just going true to size for intended fit. That's what I did, opting for a size 30, and I find that they fit great. And now, due to the silhouette of these shorts, I had to go ahead and pair them with a top that would be a little bit closer fitting to the body and cropped. Not necessarily because the rule of thirds, but because if I were to do the antithesis and throw something baggy on, the garments would just be too overwhelming. In my opinion, wouldn't look right. I threw on a slub knit t-shirt, and on top of that, a zip-up hoodie to finish the look off with the vintage wash hat. And this is the first outfit featuring the Vans Off the Wall Relic Era 95. As I mentioned, just one outfit for today, but we do have a video coming next week where we style these sneakers featuring 3 additional fits using garments from the website. But you guys let me know what you guys think. If you did enjoy today's video, please be sure to communicate that to us by liking today's video and subscribing to the channel, notifications on, so you don't miss out on the styling video on these. In addition to that, once the checkerboard pair ultimately lands. As always, we'd like to thank the Minimal community so much for continuing to support us. Don't forget to check out what we have going on the website. And with all of that being said, I will see you again in the next upload next week for another Minimal Mondays.